Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're continuing Ren's run at the Superior 7. We have his combo. Savior Valkyrie 2. Savior is fully awakened. Nexus plus S, destroy dash. Going against one of the strongest members and the strongest of the lower ranking Superior 7 members. Champion Gladiator. Tapered guard. So, I think this battle will be pretty interesting, to be honest. All things considered, since, well, putting it simply, Gladiator and Savior kind of do the exact opposite things. Savior hits hard, Gladiator does not punch at all. So, yeah, I think Gladiator will have more stamina, considering he's a super round circle. And, well, he has pretty good parts, so, yeah. Let's just get started. First to 7 points. Okay, pretty decent contacts by Savior, but nothing big enough yet. Gladiator is taking charge towards the center of the stadium, negating most of Savior's attacks. Pretty well, actually. And the winner of this first round will be Gladiator. He is in right rotation. That's 1-0. I am using this stadium because Gladiator has very, very low recoil, if any at all. So, yeah, the major impacts are all going to be coming from Savior. So really, a good way to gauge a Beyblade's attack power and how much recoil it has in a specific bay is just to battle against Gladiator, considering Gladiator's just a wall. He has no extra contact points. Now, you come here. That was weird. There we go. That sounded horrible. Okay, let's try that again. This combo, the biggest problem with this combo that I could see is that Destroy Dash or any Destroy Driver is way too low. So making that a factor to be put into the equation, it makes it to where this base scrapes a lot, regardless of the S gear saving its stamina or not. Okay. My hands are cold because of the temperature in my house at the moment in time. And that kind of makes it difficult for me to launch. But, yeah, I felt a little piece of film. It smacked my bicep, and I was like, what the frick? And I immediately knew. So we got a situation here. Gladiator, hold on. I do have a spare Gladiator ring, but it is mildly damaged as well. Okay, so this is going to be a much, much better round. No self-KOs. Score is now 2-1. 2-0, I mean 2-0, dang it. Yeah, I don't count self-KOs in any equation whatsoever. They're dumb and unfair towards the Bay who KO'd himself. So, yeah, let's keep this going. Don't break any more Gladiator. You take a while. Son of a... I'm half tempted to actually put this flat piece here back there. That might actually create less issues. Okay. Pop my fingers, because... Come on. Let's adjust our seating position. Wait. And then let's do this. Right. When do you have launcher issues? Well, thank you for getting off of the launcher, but you're not supposed to stick. Be a good Beyblade. Thank you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That was a situation right there that Gladiator could not recover from. 2-1. This battle's pretty good so far, aside from the excessive failed launch. Oh, for God's sakes! I don't know why I'm mislaunching. My English today is horrible. What the frick? Okay, big hits. I'm half tempted to end this video because it feels very botched right now. So the damage is not much more extensive than it already has been. Ooh. It was literally just a little tap away from bursting. Burst! Frickin' Savior. Savior does have an issue where it self-destructs itself every now and then. It's just way too aggressive for its own good. But, yeah, no, let's keep it going. Don't do anything. Come on, Gladiator. You're the strongest of the lower ranks. Don't let him get to the gatekeeper. This will probably go to Gladiator, I imagine, considering the stamina difference is quite dramatic here. No, Gladiator. Gladiator! What is that, 2-2? Yeah, 2-2. It might be a 3-2, but I don't know. I'm gonna say 2-2. We're 6 minutes and about to be 7 minutes, and we're not even at 5 points. That's bad. Holy crap! Okay. That's 3-2. Let's get these bays loaded on the launchers and keep the battle coming. That was some pretty good contact by Valkyrie. 4-2. Shut up. This Valkyrie's actually really good at push attacks, and I can actually see him making it to the gatekeeper. Oh, I knew that felt weird because the launches were backwards. Frick nuggets. There we go. Let's see if we can go for the most amount of missed launches in a single Beyblade video. How about that? You're making me mad, Valkyrie. Just work. Yeah, no, I really need new launchers. Bad. Jesus. Okay then. Very aggressive. Why does the stadium keep moving? Just there. Sit still. Ooh, 4-3. This video is literally only 8 minutes long because I spent about 3 of those 8 minutes mislaunching. Okay. My hard floor is uncomfortable. Okay. So, pushing. Christ almighty. Gladiator is taking the hits kind of like a champ. Not really like a champ. 5-3. Now we're getting some progress, you see. Gladiator definitely does have the knockout resistance, but that knockout resistance is kind of coming back and hitting him in the butt. Hitting him in the butt. I did not English correctly. This video is so botched. Oh no! I'll probably have a warning across the title of this video. Not even across the title, at the very start that says, watch at your own discretion. This video is botched horribly. Now, work! Thank you. Okay then. Gladiator had some movement there. Oh. Savior kind of killed its stamina there. Score still 5-3. Could it be a 5-4 situation being pinged at here? Nope. 6-3. We're at 10 minutes in the video whenever traditionally we'd actually be done by now. That's mildly annoying. Okay, big impacts. Really big impacts. Holy crap. Okay. Oh no. Dang. 7-3. Gladiator's knockout resistant based parts did not help him in this scenario. In fact, they killed his stamina. And Savior was just... it was too good for it. Well, movement actually. The shape of it really made it to where it was able to push Gladiator up and off his balance, making him kind of go crazy. But I might add that every single one of those battles, Valkyrie took a click or two. So, yeah, no, you made it to the Gatekeeper, Ren, but we'll see what the Gatekeeper can do. After all, the Gatekeeper is Tyrant, the most heavy-hitting attack-type Beyblade on the channel. That I have made. But, yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Yeah, I'm putting a discretion at the beginning of this video, saying this video is very, very, there's like 50 some odd miss launches. I don't know. But, yeah, just my apologies for the delayed battle and all that stuff. So, yeah. That's all I got. I hope you all enjoyed the video, though, because I certainly kind of did, ignoring the miss launches. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and notification bell if you want to, and I'll see you all in the next video. We are so freaking close to 300. Let's get there here real quick. Bye-bye.